eligible girls. He's single and he's looking to get married. So anyone that
this is not matrimony.com. We are Prasad, we are promoting Prema Desam cinema here. Please talk about the film.
No, just saying he's amazing that way. And then Meghna, questions I'll just ask him. Just ask him anything. And Kiran, thanks for cutting all the pretty shots of mine. Thank you. And all the amazing music and everything. And I love Telugu. I'm crazy about it now. I listen to a lot of music, Telugu music. And in the US, when some Telugu friends come over to our house, I'll be like, yeah, naku Telugu telusu. And then I'll be like, oh, I'm in Hyderabad. And I'll ask them, oh, where in Hyderabad? As such, I know only Jubilee Hills and Gachibowli. I don't know anything. I'll be like, oh, really? Tell me about Hyderabad. I'll be so happy. I just love the language. I just fell in love with the language. And thank you so much for having me. I think
Srikanth garu biryani ekkaduntado chepparu.
And thanks. Like I couldn't get the opportunity to work with them, but I know Megha and me have done ads initially together, and she's so sweet. She's really sweet. And I used to think that, oh my God, she's so pretty. You baby. And thank you, Adi. Thanks, Megha. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
You're amazing, Maya. Lovely speech.
Hi friends. మా టుడే టుమారో యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ వీడియోస్ కోసం వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఈ బెల్ ని కూడా రింగ్ చేసేయండి. మా నోటిఫికేషన్స్ అన్ని మీ మొబైల్లో వస్తాయి. అలాగే మా వీడియోస్ మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, నచ్చకపోతే కామెంట్ చేయండి.